Hi and welcome back. Welcome to question tag. I hope you are ready for this lesson. So let's get started. So let's have this. But before then, the question tag, if you hear tag question, it's the same thing. That is question tag. So if the statement has is, the question tag you will see isn't. Are, the question tag we see aren't. Was, wasn't. Were, weren't. Can, can't. Do, don't. Should, shouldn't. Has, hasn't. Have, haven't. Had, hadn't. So if the statement has is, the question tag is going to be isn't. If it is are, the question tag is going to be aren't. Don't worry, we will have examples. But here, as you can see, if the question tag has isn't, if the statement has isn't, then the question tag is going to have is. So if we have aren't, we will have are. Wasn't, we will use was. Weren't, were. Can't, can. Don't, do. Shouldn't, should. Hasn't, has. Haven't, have. Hadn't, and had. So this means that if the statement has isn't, the question tag is going to be is. If it is aren't, the question tag is going to be are. This is the beginning, don't worry. Let's have some examples. So our first example says, he is the one. The question tag is, isn't he? Isn't he? Isn't he? He is the one. Isn't he? She is resting. Isn't she? She is resting. Isn't she? Isn't she? We are waiting. Aren't we? We are waiting. Aren't we? They are here. Aren't they? They are here. Aren't they? He was the one. Wasn't he? He was the one. Wasn't he? She was resting. She was resting. Wasn't she? She was resting. Wasn't she? We were waiting. We were waiting. Weren't we? We were waiting. Weren't we? Weren't we? They were here. We say, weren't they? So you see, it is not difficult. He is the one, isn't he? She is resting, isn't she? We are waiting, aren't we? They are here, aren't they? He was the one, wasn't he? She was resting, wasn't she? We were here, weren't we? They were here, weren't they? He is, isn't he? She is, isn't she? We are, aren't we? They are, aren't they? He was, wasn't he? She was, wasn't she? We were, weren't we? They were, weren't they? So it is not difficult, right? Let's move on. So here, what we've got is he isn't the one. So the question tag becomes is he? She is interesting. Is she? We are not waiting. Are we? They are not here. Are they? He wasn't the one. Was he? She wasn't resting. Was she? We are not waiting. Were we? And they were not here. So we say, were they? He isn't. Is he? She isn't. Is she? We are not. Are we? They are not. Are they? He wasn't. Was he? She wasn't. Was she? We were not. Were we? They were not. Were they? So you see, it is not difficult to use or to understand. All you need to do or have to do is get used to the sound. You listen to the sound. He is, isn't he? She is, isn't she? We are, aren't we? They are, aren't they? She was, wasn't she? He was, wasn't he? And something like that. So that's it for the introduction. I hope you understood it, and I hope you liked it. And I say until next time for the next lesson on question tag.